Step inside Disney's Riviera Resort, where European elegance meets Disney magic. Let's explore everything this stunning resort has to offer. Welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort, one of the latest Disney Vacation Club properties at Disney World. The resort features approximately 300 guest rooms with studios, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom villas. This French-inspired resort has multiple top-rated dining options, bars, and shopping. Set directly on the Skyliner and nestled right between Hollywood Studios and EPCOT, the location of this property is one of the many highlights. Upon arrival, there is a large covered loading and unloading area with bell service to take your bags. If you have a car with you, self-parking is free, and valet can be arranged for $42 per night. We arrived mid-morning and dropped our luggage and headed to the parks. The main lobby acts as a central hub with check-in and the Disney Vacation Club desks to the right. The La Boutique shop is to the left, along with the La Petit Cafe for a cafe and fresh French pastries. The lobby is on the second floor and provides floor-to-ceiling views of the resort grounds themed after the Palace of Versailles. The halls are filled with images from Walt Disney's travels through France and French countryside, along with French posters of classic Disney films. Just off the lobby is the Voyager's Lounge, a quiet oasis to sip your coffee, check your emails, or just relax. There is some amazing Disney memorabilia on display in the cases throughout the lounge. The resort has some of the best transportation on property with direct access to the Skyliner. The Skyliner provides some of the most efficient resort-to-park travel with little to no wait to board most times of day. You can easily connect to EPCOT, Hollywood Studios, and Disney Caribbean Beach Resort. Times are posted in front of the station, but generally runs an hour before early theme park entry until 90 minutes after park close. Bus transportation is available near the main entrance, providing service to all 4 theme parks, Disney Springs and the water parks. There are several food and beverage options throughout the resort. The main quick-service restaurant is Primo Piatto, inspired by a classic French bistro. It features an open kitchen, and your food is delivered to your table after ordering either through the app or at the counter. For breakfast, they serve all the classics, including those famous Mickey waffles. They also have a breakfast flatbread, blueberry lemon pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches. Lunch and dinner menus include sandwiches, pizza, and a few classic French dishes. The Parmesan herb fries were especially delicious. The kids menu includes all the standard Disney favorites. You'll find Coke freestyle machines and a large self-service drink station nearby. There's also a grab-and-go area with pre-packaged foods and bottled drinks, perfect for a quick snack before heading out to the parks. Topolino's Terrace is located on the top floor and offers a character breakfast each morning. In the evening, it transforms into an upscale dining experience with a French and Italian-inspired menu. We were told the rooftop terrace has a fantastic views of the EPCOT fireworks each night. La Petite Cafe serves specialty coffees, teas, and French-inspired pastries until noon. From afternoon until 9 p.m., it offers small plates, beer, wine, and cocktails. Bar Riva is the poolside open-air bar and restaurant inspired by the French and Italian coast. It offers Mediterranean dishes, pasta, and pizza, making it a great spot to relax with a refreshing drink and a quick bite away from the sun. La Boutique is the resort's only retail location. It offers Riviera Resort themed apparel and souvenirs. Since this is a Disney Vacation Club property and many rooms include kitchens, you'll also find a section of grocery items. We stayed in a studio room on the second floor, which can accommodate up to 5 guests. The room includes 2 showers, a total game changer after long, hot park days. Sleeping arrangements include a queen bed, a queen-size Murphy bed, and a twin pull-down bed under the TV. Each studio features a kitchenette with a mini fridge, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, sink, and stocked cabinets with basic dishes and utensils. Larger villas offer full kitchens. The room also includes a small seating area and a balcony with 2 chairs and a table. Storage is plentiful, with a closet that includes an ironing board, vacuum, and a small safe. As with all DVC properties, housekeeping is limited. You'll receive a trash and towel service on the 4th day of your stay. For stays 8 nights or more, full housekeeping is provided on day 4, and trash and towel service on day 8. Near the entrance, there are convenient wall hooks and a small table, great for keeping bags off the floor and reducing clutter. The resort grounds are beautiful. Inspired by the gardens of the Palace of Versailles, there are plenty of family-friendly activities, including oversized Connect 4, cornhole, and bocce ball courts. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. The main pool features 0 entry access, a large water slide, and lifeguards on duty at all times. There are plenty of life vests available in all sizes. For younger children, 48 inches and under, there's a large splash area with small slides and fountains. A drink station is also available nearby for refilling your resort mugs. On the opposite side of the resort, you'll find a more laid-back adult pool. Movies under the stars are shown on select nights on the turf lawn near the main pool. The nearby fire pit is perfect for roasting marshmallows while enjoying views of the Skyliner and Caribbean Beach Resort. During the day, the area makes a great quiet spot to relax. The fitness center is located directly beneath the lobby and includes treadmills, bikes, cardio machines, free weights, yoga mats, and more. Complimentary water and granola bars are also available. The resort offers daily activities like pool games, movie nights, s'mores, and more. Be sure to check the signs around the resort for the latest schedule. There's also a craft room that hosts art classes throughout the week for additional fee. While we were there, offerings included pottery, canvas painting, mosaic classes, and more. We hope you enjoyed the full tour of Disney's Riviera Resort. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more hotel reviews, Disney adventures, and all things travel.